It's time to vacuum. This thing is heavier than it looks. This is why you live somewhere that's all one floor. This stairs. Whoa. Loud noise was loud. And I wonder why I have breathing issues.
Oh, that's so gross.
I've come across a recycled art show. It's going to be at the Saratoga Battlefield. I don't know if any of you know where that is, but it's for the celebration of Earth Week, and they consider art to be the perfect medium to heighten public awareness of recycling efforts. It says, acceptable mediums, anything goes. This includes 2- and 3-dimensional works, including but not limited to paintings, drawings, photography, sculpture, pottery, collage, glasswork, metalwork, and stonework. All of that makes sense to me, but photography. How do you have recycled photography? I understand if you use it for a collage or a sculpture or something, but if you take pictures of old things, does that count? I think I'm gonna submit my hubcaps and my jewelry and some of my canvases. I've never done any type of art show before, so I think that this would be really cool. I've always wanted to. You know, it's a slow news day when one of the top stories on Yahoo News America is Kid Rock's t-shirts that say made in Detroit are not, in fact, made in Detroit. I can sleep better tonight knowing that. Life is full of so many hard choices. But what if all the small choices are what really mattered? Because without all the little small moments, none of the big moments would have happened. Or, you know, they would have. Definitely doing this one. Technically, the hubcap is recycled, the fabric is scrap fabric, and this used to be a necklace. I will be submitting this one as well. I'm wondering if I could get away with putting this in there. Those of you who have dogs, and probably some cats as well, know that they tend to think they own everything. I'm pretty sure my dog thinks he's God. Yep. He kind of is, in a way. We should have named him Morgan Freeman. And this one, which is kind of my favorite. And I think I'll put this one in too, which is kind of hard to see. Top hat monocle wearing dino. I think I'll just submit everything off the site, basically. I am someone who has had a lifelong obsession with dead things and death and history and antiques and museums. I love picking up things off the side of the road and, you know, I see like twisted metal scraps and I just want to go take it. All of our stuff one day is going to be someone else's, or, you know, it's going to be discarded. And if those items could talk, you know, I love old suitcases and the travels that they could have had and who owned them and just the stories attached that we'll never know. I feel like I just kind of fell into the recycled art aspect, and still even now I grab hubcaps off the road. I haven't really had the time. I've been bouncing all, I've been kind of a hot mess. I have hubcaps with ideas attached that I just haven't done yet. So this is a good excuse to get back into all of my artsy stuff, and I'm really excited about it. We're all connected, and I just think that it's a really cool way of honoring that connection. And I love taking something that's been thrown away and seen as broken and unneeded and making it look cool and new and fresh and fun and just breathing new life into, you know, dead things. I just think it's amazing.
Are you made of recycled materials? Genetically speaking.